After a long class, Azti, Nafira, Angel, and Reski felt very hungry and Nafira had an idea to make pandan cake at home.
Okay, what's about the ingredients? Don't worry guys, I got you.
Let's do it now because I'm about to finish out.
I already to take notes about the recipe, so we can start to bake.
Let me help you with the
Thank
ingredients.
you.
Based on what I read from the recipe, first thing first, we should crack 5 eggs and put it into the bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
After that, put 150 grams sugar into it.
Before we add some flour, we should mix it until fluffy with mixer. Don't forget to add 150 grams wet flour and 15 grams cornstarch.
Don't forget 26 gram milk powder and half tablespoon spade.
While waiting for the mixture to expand, melt together 100 gram margarine and 15 ml cooking oil.
Wait until melted butter and oil to cool.
After it turns cool, pour it into the mixture and stir with a spatula.
Stir it until well blend. After that, take approximately 2 tablespoons and pour it into another bowl.
Now we have 2 bowls of mixture. In the small bowl, we add some chocolate paste,
In the big bowl, we add pandan paste, stir both mixture until it mix well.
Before we bake the mixture, we should smear the surface with 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 1 tablespoon margarine, and 1 tablespoon flour to prevent the mixture from sticking into the baking pan.
After we prepare the mixture and making pan, we pour the mixture alternately between the chocolate and pandan mixture.
Now, before baking, we should heat the oven for a while.
After heated, we put the mixture in the oven and we set to 150 Celsius degrees for about 40 minutes and wait for it to bake. Okay, wait for it to bake.
So guys, this is our work. Pandan cake with chocolate.
Yay!